Yeah. Get a lot of dope, hit a lot of smoke. Me and my one and only on the range. Overpower them, songs them devour them. Everybody love it, it's a craze. Big bottles, but it's nothing that can quench my thirst for this life. I give thanks. Legendary Don Perignon, tie my bandana around my bottle, we a gang. This is for my thugs that ain't make it to the future. For my dogs in the cage up in Utica. Now I'm out here getting money that's super. I'm out of space high, man, I'm in Jupiter. Tuxedo flow, red carpet spit. Fuck a suit, bitch, it's a G-thing trick. You never in your life find another P kid. She feeling on me, I'm her weakness. Higher than I ever been. Flyer than I ever been. Wired off of medicine. Dope than a motherfucker. Higher than I ever been. Flyer than a pelican. Wired off of medicine. Dope than a motherfucker. Go Cinderella. Man, you belong the closest together. I know what you dream. See, me and you, we gon' live this thing forever. The haters can't stop it. My song, they can't top it. My bars too brolic. My rapping too slapping. My shit is too good. Annihilate niggas. Man, I am so hood. My champion blood boil. Boy, I'm a devil. When it come to getting money, I'm just on another level. 40,000s in the bag. I work like a fucking horse. Make me pull the jokes and show you how to take a loss. Infamous life, that affluent lifestyle. Tell your dog sit. Your niggas better pipe down. Maximum strength, I kill pain. That bitch not feeling on me, she insane. Higher than I ever been. Flyer than I ever been. Wired off of medicine. Dope than a motherfucker. Higher than I ever been. Flyer than a pelican. Wired off of medicine. Dope than a motherfucker.